Hi everyone, just to let you know that this is the type of noise I'm getting first thing, well, first thing in the morning, afternoon, evening, doesn't matter which time of the day. This is on 555 and we're just going to do a little flicker of switches and show you where the noise starts. Basically it starts starting here, if for example 555, if I go up, the higher I go, stays. But if I'm going down, see, disperses the crackling, but I'm still getting high noise level. If that is conditions, not sure. The RF, for example, is high. Turn the RF down. It's okay, but you can still hear like kind of crackling. See, and as much as I've been trying everything, not much happening. So basically that's what I'm getting, the noise. I've got all the ferrite and basically everything, try and eliminate any noise, got them all on the plugs. So I've been going around the house checking. It's basically something outside, and just to let you know that I'm using the Hawkins 5/8 wave wire antenna on a fabulous pole, and the balun or the choke, it's just about sitting on the fence. Well, not sitting literally, but just about the level of the fence, so it's not as high as I would like it to be. So that is one of the issues I'm having here with this particular noise. And if anybody has any ideas, I know there's some eliminator units you can buy, but it's too much messing around. Eventually there will be a Sirio Gainmaster, so hopefully that might solve the problem, and obviously that will be much higher than the wire. I think a 33-foot aluminium adjustable mast with the Sirio on top, so that should be suffice, I'm sure. So guys, thanks a lot for watching, and just to let you know that this is the CRT SS6900N. Just bought it sort of brand new-ish, good price, no problem, and also invested in the new power mic KPO, which there's a lot of talk about that, comparing it to the standard one. Actually, even the standard one sounded okay when I was talking to a station in Wales. That sounded okay, but this one, just gotta give it a try. So yeah, if anybody has any ideas, can eliminate my noise without getting, so just to check again, the RF, see, it's just that if I do hear some people, I can always drop them down lower. See, it's quiet down there, not so bad. Yeah, it's not so bad, so yeah, I could always do that. Nice radio, but again, clarifier, pain in the backside. Hey, you pay for what you get, but yeah, it's not bad. Cute little radio. If you're serious, then obviously I'd invest in an HF big radio. Everything's included, don't need to worry about anything. Yeah, thanks again.